Okay, these are pretty straightforward. It says based on the pattern, what are the next two terms in the sequence? And we need to then see what the pattern is. And if you notice what's happening between each one of these, we are adding 6, adding 6, adding 6 every time. So if we add 6 to that, we get the next two terms being 33 and 39. Okay. Now number 2, based on the pattern, what are the next two terms in the sequence? Well, it's important to see the first term, 9, as the same as 9 over 1. Because when you see that, then you see that from here, we're going 1 times 5 to get 5, 5 times 5 to get 25, 25 times 5 to get 125, 125 times 5 to get 625, etc. We're always keeping the numerator the same with the 9, and we're multiplying the denominator by 5. So if we multiply the denominator by 5, we get 3,125. And if we do it again, we get still a 9 on the top. And multiplying the denominator by 5, we get, let's see, what is it, 15,625. Let me just verify that math. 3,125 times 5. Yep, 15,625. So those are the next two terms. Now, finally on the bottom, I'm not sure why that's not working. Okay, sorry, I can't seem to erase that. But on the bottom, based on the pattern, what's the next figure in the sequence? Well, let's take a look at the pattern. We see this repeating sequence. What's repeating? We've got square, triangle, another triangle inverted, and then a circle. We've got these as a set, okay? And then that exact same set repeats here. We got that square, inverted triangle, right side up triangle, and circle, okay? So we've got two complete sequences, so the next figure would be, of course, then the first term in the sequence repeating itself. So we would get a shaded square like that.